Imagine living paycheck to paycheck, sending your kids to schools with asbestos, and being surrounded by vacant lots overfilled with trash. That's a reality that many Americans in this country still have to face today. And so you have people like Tina Marie and tens of thousands of others fighting for their communities around the clock without pay and with little rest. Despite all they have endured, they are still giving back. They won't leave. Why? Because they're fighting for something deeper than money, prestige, or power. They're fighting for their home. Community organizing is treated as volunteer work, but it shouldn't be. We should really focus on centering these people in the movement for justice. It's easy to become complacent, to do nothing. And so I'm asking you today to care to make it better, to advocate for, invest in, and center the voices of community organizers like Tina Marie, Tom, Maurice, and Kendra. It's not about any one of us. It's about all of us. It's about what makes us human, caring for each other. So let's get to work together.